This was going on behind the scenes. Going on here. We got DJ and him. This behind the scenes. KJ Koda.
The what? Yeah, we're about to switch. I'll switch over to this side and take some. You said you just wanted it
like this is basically like kind of like formatted like our website.
Correct, man. You see what I'm saying? No. Don't be too cocky in your crap, but be confident. You could be cocky, but like be confident at the same time, you see what I'm saying? Because you know what? You're the only one that really believe in it till everybody see it, you see what I'm saying? You gotta pop it. You see what I'm saying? You ain't gotta pop it in nobody's face, you feel me? You can pop it in your own face and make folks feel you see what I'm saying?
Straight up. No cap.
And get what? The ones that is rocking with you gotta appreciate it, you see what I'm saying? Cause that's just that. You gotta appreciate them folks.
Yeah.
Nah, you good. I'm gonna turn it down cause like if you put it on YouTube, it copyright. Put your model face on.
perfect. Lift your chin up a little bit for me.
I'm trying to put your model face on.
Get up.
Hold on real quick, man.
Boy, locked in over there.
Oh. I wish I could see it on here.
Alright, let's see.
Whatever you put, no, I like all that. What you think we should do for the website picture?
All right. Hold on.
You know, I'm dropping 3 first though. The last 3, the hardest 3 though. Play that other play.
Which one? The slow one?
We got D behind the camera, he getting them good shots.
You better know
we
it.
got Molly on the other camera, she getting them good shots.
You better know it. I might as well get in there too. Hold on. Get at him.
Let the doctor know so she can put in orders for him.
I can see more with your jacket on his up.
Oh, no, yeah. We want some guys. I said you okay, and then you guys do the
You might got to come this in like
okay. Got it.
Now put it back down.
So much. Thank you.
That's top, bottom. That's all we.
Y'all nigga clean, huh? I don't know. No days off. No days off. Better know it.
That, like a little step back.
Microphone. It's green at the top, like with the microphone.
Mm-hmm.
It's looking grayish on your hand.
You get your new lens yet? Let me see you get that.
I was like, why am I spending $2,000 for a lens?
Yeah, when you have to tell you things.
Yeah, but it's I can't justify it.
I need another one. Just the 85.
And that's what I was going to do. I was going to do 135.